If you convert all the cases, in this kata you will make a function that converts between camel case, snake case and kebab case. You must write a function that changes to a given case. It must be able to handle all three case types. Snake, that to snake, that to camel, map to all to kebab, do HTML request to kebab, invalid input in bad to kebab. Yes, so we do invalid input, which is bad, to kebab. Yeah, so it must sense our function invalid input over here, and it must sense invalid input over there. It also sends an empty string. So alright. Furthermore, all valid identifiers will be lowercase except when necessary. In other words, on boundaries and camel case. Alright. So what can we do? It's the same. Alright, first I'm happy that I'm not doing the kata before. I can now write as long code as I want. So first we do I wanna weed out. I mean, this thing concerns me the most. And I guess that is the identifier. That's the target case. So if identifier is equals to an empty string, return that. Oh, you must return two inputs. No, if identifier is that, elif identifier contains elif like, yeah, how I'm gonna recognize snake case in there, huh? Yeah. Alright. So let's say import regular expression and say, how did we do? We use the submodule and we say changed identifier equals to re.sub, and we take a pattern, first raw string, a pattern. So now we must make a pattern that matches this case, or that case. HTML. So it's either uppercase letter, so it says A to Z, or where's the or it is A to Z with this in between A to Z, or it's A to Z with that in between and A to Z. Alright, so that's our match, and we want to replace it with what? I mean, from snake case to kebab case and from kebab case to snake case, we could as well use just plain old to replace function. So A to Z, A to Z, A to Z. So we matched that one, and yeah, I guess we just make like two groups every time. So it's like that, it's like that, or it's like that, right? And then we just say, oh, and also here it's first A to Z, and then it's peak one A to Z. Then we always say, what should we replace it with? Say always do 1 first, and then replace it with 2. Just a sec. Yeah. This would only make these things pass. Fuck. So let's do it the long way, whatever. And quarter game. Castle of cubes is castle of cubes here? No, alright. Oops. What did we say? Regex. No. This. Python how to sorting, logging, functional. Matching characters. So we have functions such as match, determine if search looking for any location where RE matches. Alright. Find all substring where all RE matches and return them as a list. Alright. So we must find the find all function. That's how we're gonna get the thingy. The thingy. Find all ooh, where are you? RE dot find all pattern string flags. So we say here we say all cases, we just RE dot find all. This is the expression. That's the pattern identifier. Then say if all cases, if which is basically are looking for big, say that or that or that. Yeah, so we say if that and that in all cases return. What do we need to return? None. All of these three tests pass. Oh, so it should just return none. Oh, we don't need to like return anything. So if we like just cancel, if we cancel this, test it out. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, so now if we say here, say I'm running out of time to do this DAY65. So target case we assign to kebab, snake or camel. So you say cases, and I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with this dictionary. and say snake. No, like this is used, right? Say camel, that, and kebab. Say Python check if value has key. Check if key yeah, that's actually correct. For if value in iterable. If search key in imptict. And now I'm so obsessed with testing the input. Snake kebab kebab. And then we say just oh yeah, but that should be copy, and then we just revert to that. Alright. All cases are a.bindAll. In all cases return none. And we say elif that and a to z are a.match a to z in all cases return none. Elif that one and match are shit cancel a to z in all cases return none. So you say here snake case here we say all subs is ra.sub. We basically use that one. We say a to z. Damn it, we say so either we have a to z and then the big one a to z. 1, 2. Then the next one is okay, so this was camel case, the next one is snake case. Say a to z a to z, and the last one is kebab case, which is a to z to z. Then we substitute that. So cases, target case. In target cases, if we are looking for the snake case from any of them, we say row string, say the first group, bottom, and the second group. To convert to camel case, how do you make that alphanumeric character Python regular expressions make group uppercase? To replace uppercase with lowercase, you should see pass a function as a reply argument. The match object is passed to this function. What? Lambda function, and that is the hard part, I guess. Lambda path pattern dot group 1 dot lower. Patterns of pattern dot group dot lower. I think there is a need for a quick and dirty workaround. Here we just know that it's first one, that, and the second one, and we input the identifier. There are like many things that are questionable. Line 8, string. Python check if uppercase letter in string is upper. In list. Oops. So, okay, fuck it. So here we just say if in all cases, elif if AC string, and we say string called on all cases elif Python if string contains substring, the in operator. Full string dot index string fine. It returns -1. Okay, so it says fuck. If in all cases, okay, elif adds a string dot find kebab case and re match A to Z in AC strings, AC string, and that pretty much, oh shit, that's pretty much copy and pasted. With snake case. Oh, and then you return substitute right, so here we say try that except return none. Alright. Okay, snake case should equal snake case. Kebab case doesn't work. Oh, these things are not declared. None should equal map to all. Are you for real? Kebab case to camel case. Sami same should equal some Lisp name. This. Okay, so you say Python array nested groups
I mean, I think I probably won't be able to do it in time. So we just say fuck it, like as fast as possible. If target case equals to snake, what do? We return re.sub, say snake case, then we need to like recognize. So yeah, there needs to be something. Or maybe if we use this one, just copy, paste it over here. Shit. Like so and like so. But we replace it with one dot replace yeah, like what are we gonna get, you know? Damn. Alright, yeah. You need to recognize. If we knew how to get nested groups, it would be way easier. Oh, we don't need actually that. So let's take that and just take that. Just replace that with that. Snake, or if we have this, we say that, and then after it the first one, then we say to lower, or what? Python string to lower case. Wow, some websites are really trash. Hero dot, so we say just dot lower. Dot lower in identifier, close and brace. So let's test snake case. snake case to kebab case. Camel case to snake case. Oh, snake case should equal that. Okay, so we just call lower on everything that. Yeah, alright. Elif target case equals camel, return re dot sub. Now this is really an easy one. Is just or is it the easy one? Because you want to take that one or that one, and we're gonna use this answer in Stack Overflow. Use this answer in Stack Overflow. AZ also here. Shit. AZ. Shall replace that, paste it over here. Pattern group 1 to upper. For identifier. Oh, non-type object has no attribute upper. Okay. Pet group 1. Like what if we say lower? Is it gonna say yeah, it's wrong? Yeah, non-type object. So that's non-type object. regex replace with uppercase. Which Python is the right one? That's the same. That's the same, always the same. Mercury. That's that's not Python. Yeah. Alright, so I guess here is our closest. So pass a function as the replace argument. The match object is passed to this function and group 1 gives the first parenthesized subgroup. Replacement. Some of those special characters. ra dot ignore case dot compile multi-line search match full match dba start of the string empty string slwz right L as inline flags so they can be combined. My middle exclusive inline flag switches that mn So yeah, how do I work around this? Because we got this group and we want to get it uppercase. Do we just say like so? Name upper is not defined. If I declare it a raw string, it will say just the camel case some a spam should equal some Lisp name. What? And yeah, that thing again. I guess we should just like cancel this one. some isp. Yeah. Well, we try to change that to upper, so if we just delete that, test it out. Alright, this is a hard one. Can use to upper. Say how do you turn it to camel fucking case? Python how to turn snake case to camel case. Fuck. Oh, split. Oh, okay. I knew I would get a reasonable answer. Say. So we split that. Return component X title. Let's see. Zero plus join access title. If that in identifier we say identifier dot split and we call that a list. Identifier dot split at over here, and here we say return, how do we say, component 0, so we say list, or rather components. Component 0 plus that dot join
Yeah, that would basically the same for kebab case. That and that. So there should be no errors. Yes, snake case to kebab case. Alright, and then only to kebab case. See, elif target case equals kebab. You just return what? How did we manage this? Just like so. Copy that, paste that here. Down kebab. Snake case to kebab case should work. So this should equal. So it returns none, eh? So this is the third best passes. Map to all. And it returns none. So we print if copy. Now I fuck you in the squeaky door. If number 2, here it is, paste. If number 3, that is returning none, so it does that if anything picks up. Okay. In all cases. In if check in all cases and that in test it out. All green attempt. Oh my god, it's snake camel case is invalid. Snake camel case should equal none. This should be picked up, you know. This and that.
space, and we say back in all cases in hope this still works. Okay. What about that? That should equal. Alright, so this thing I guess is useless because match 0 or more characters corresponding match object. Okay. Return. So we need to use search instead of match. All right. Little Shop of Horrors to Camel. And then we even got this one. Not non-type. Case conversion is easy for humans. Non. So we say to camel a leaf, and then else I guess all green. Well, this is alright. We finished 26 minutes past midnight, but it still counts as for previous day. The code is awful. I have been coding all day. I shall submit that because alright, and I see the solution. People have done all of the wonderful things. So if we do to camel case, we do lambda group 2 and do it to upper. Well, what a elegant solution. Alright, at least we found about that. Here is an elegant solution if nothing matches. If that in label plus that in label plus that in label is more than 1. Okay. Okay. And if it's snake, you say if A to Z label dot replace. Okay. The good thing about these subs is that it does not return you error if it doesn't match anything. Alright, what a nice solution. So with this stressful finish and with this pleasant seeing of nice solution, I wish you a good night.